is Petrus Bahtera Yogatama Gusmira. I'm 9 years old and I'm in 3rd grade. My project name is called MAEMSIK. My theme is sustainable eating, healthy living. I chose this theme because I already have an example project of what I'm going to make. So yeah, it's usually what makes it easier, so I have a lot more time. But I also, an interesting fact that a lot of people nowadays are eating a lot more junk food and fast food. Fortunately, junk food and fast food are high in calories, sugar, fat, but they also have poor protein, fiber, and nutrients, which is leading to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and high cholesterol. In fact, 2 per 100,000 kids in Indonesia suffer from diabetes. This is 70 times increase since early 2023 compared to 2010. And choosing a healthy food is also a must for children that are undernourished. There are 21.6 children in Indonesia that suffers from malnutrition on 2023. My solution is my project, and educating kids about eating healthy food through choices through games makes it easier to encourage them to eat their healthy food rather than forcing them to eat the vegetables and other stuff. The healthy food that I'm talking about is balance between carbs, protein, and fiber. And the example project that I mentioned earlier was fruit salad. Now, fruit salad is a Raspberry Pi Scratch tutorial to teach kids on how to use Scratch. And the game is about adding food to our plate and making it look beautiful and delicious. But compared to my project, MAEMSIK, it tells you what's good and what's not. So it also educates you what healthy foods are, what you're supposed, and in the game it tells you what you're supposed to do, and also has an entertaining but educating minigame. It needs you to catch healthy food while you avoid bad food. Let's just jump right into it, but first I'm just gonna do wait, oh yeah, it was locked. Okay, wrong. Okay, so this is my project, MAEMSIK, so let's just jump right into this. So let's press start. And it says click the food to select your food. So do that. There's target carbs and shows you how much food you should add. So let's just get into it. And I'm gonna add a carrot. So change the food, which is pretty neat. Okay, I already have this, but it says it only needs to be lower than 12, higher than 9. I only have 2, so let's just add protein. Oh, we need more vitamins. We still don't have enough, we only have 4. So this needs to add another vitamin. Okay, our total is still 6. Add more of these, okay. This one up a little. Let's add an orange. Let's add more protein, because why not? Silly too, but okay, I think we're there. Pretty sure we're there. Hey, it says this is the perfect amount of food, so serve this to the chef. See what happens. Oh, does he like it? Yes, he does. Let's go. So let's go to the galley grub. Now, galley grub is where you can see. Wait, let me just. There we go. Galley grub, where you can see all the food that we've seen earlier. So you have carrot, asparagus, apple, orange, banana, watermelon, fish, egg, chicken, rice, and bread. Let's go back and let's go to the help. Not, maybe not. Yeah, I think we should. Oh, okay. Mini games. So we need to catch healthy food. So if we get this cake here, our score goes up, and if we get this, our score goes up. So let's just do this. Okay. Strawberry, banana. Oh man, I got the cake. Okay, not good. No, go. There we go. Oh man, it's annoying. That's 10. Come on. So also I chose the dog for the catching. For the person's catching. No. Oh man. Okay. Congratulations, you collected 12 healthy food. Let's go back. See what's in the help. So the help tells you what to do and so that you don't get confused stuff. But sure, you could just pause the video, but I'm just gonna go back. So anyways, that's all from me. I'm Petrus Bahtera Yogatama Gusmira. Thank you for watching. Bye!